In this video, you'll learn how to set agent budgets in Paperclip AI. This process allows you to define financial limits for each agent in your organization, ensuring efficient resource management. Begin by navigating to the Paperclip AI dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the appropriate URL for your Paperclip AI account. Once the page loads, you should see the dashboard interface, which serves as your main control center for managing agents and budgets. Next, locate the section that lists your agents. You can identify each agent by their name or ID. Click on the agent for whom you wish to set a budget. After selecting the agent, the screen should refresh to display that agent's dashboard, providing you with various management options. Once you are on the agent's dashboard, look for the option labeled Budget in the navigation menu. Clicking on this will direct you to the budget management section for that specific agent. You should see a summary of the current budget status and relevant settings. After that, find a button labeled Budget USD. Clicking this will allow you to enter a new budget amount for the selected agent. The interface should present a text box where you can input the desired budget figure. Ensure that the number you enter reflects your financial strategy and the agent's operational needs. Type in the budget amount you wish to allocate for the agent. Be mindful of any existing budgets or financial constraints that may affect your decision. Once you have entered the amount, review it for accuracy before proceeding to the next step. Click on the button that says Set Budget to finalize your input. This action will save the budget settings for the selected. After clicking, a confirmation message should appear on the screen indicating that the budget has been successfully updated. Ensure that you see this message before you navigate away from the page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.